Right now, Amazon has released a new solid lineup of kitchen gadgets that's actually worth every single penny. These gadgets are going to speed up prep time and genuinely make your time in the kitchen more easy. All the mentioned product links are in the description below. Number 12. Joseph SINKTECH. This soap dispensing palm brush makes washing dishes feel a bit smoother by holding your liquid soap in the handle and releasing it with a push button right into the tough, stain-resistant bristles as you scrub, so you don't have to keep picking up a separate bottle mid-cleaning. The refillable design and replaceable heads mean you're not chucking the whole thing out when the bristles wear, and the built-in scraper tackles stuck on food without needing extra tools, which is a small but welcome upgrade to your regular scrub routine. Number 11. Prep Knife System. These high-carbon stainless steel knives are built to last, with razor-sharp blades for effortless food prep. Ergonomic, triple rivet handles offer comfort and control, while the built-in never-dull stone sharpening wheel and easy lever restore sharpness in seconds. Durable, rust-resistant, and designed for everyday use, the modern, minimalist storage block keeps your countertop tidy, combining functionality and style in one streamlined knife set. Number 10. Express Electric Peeler. The Starfruit Rot Auto Express Electric Peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables quick and hassle-free, saving time in everyday kitchen prep. It handles potatoes, apples, cucumbers, and more with steady automatic motion, reducing hand strain and mess. Spare replacement blades are included so you can keep it running smoothly over time. A non-slip base helps it stay steady on the counter, while a small storage compartment keeps extra blades close at hand. Cleaning is simple, just wipe with a damp cloth and avoid immersing in water. The removable blade makes maintenance easier. It consistently earns strong ratings for its reliable automatic peeling and user-friendly operation. Number 9. DELUXE Everyday Griddle. Its spacious 20-inch by 10.5-inch cooking surface gives you room to prepare multiple items at once, so meals come together without juggling pans. A removable heating probe lets you dial in the right temperature for different foods, helping everything cook more evenly. The PFOA-free nonstick plate keeps food from sticking and makes flipping and serving less messy. After cooking, the drip tray slides out easily and can go straight into the dishwasher, cutting down cleanup time. It heats up quickly, holds steady heat, and comes in stylish color options that fit right into modern kitchens while staying practical for daily use. Number 8. NERETVA Bread Maker. The NERETVA Bread Maker brings fresh, homemade baking right into your kitchen with a generous 3.3 lb capacity and 15 preset programs. From classic white and whole wheat bread to cake, jam, yogurt, and more, it gives plenty of variety without extra effort. You can also choose your preferred crust level, light, medium, or dark, depending on your taste. Dual 360-degree heating helps bake evenly, while the 850W motor runs quietly in the background. The non-stick ceramic pan and dual kneading paddles work together to create soft, well-mixed dough with less mess. An automatic fruit and nut dispenser adds ingredients at the right moment, so flavors are perfectly blended every time. With a 15-hour timer, you can set it ahead and wake up to fresh bread. It also comes with useful accessories, making it ready to use straight out of the box. Number 7. Heated Ice Cream Scoop. Serve even the hardest ice cream with less effort using this electric heated scoop. The metal scoop head warms up to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, helping glide through frozen desserts smoothly without bending or straining your wrist. A clear digital LED display shows both temperature and battery status, so you're always ready for the next serving. The rechargeable 5000 mAh battery offers extended use between charges, while convenient Type-C charging makes powering up simple. Its IP67 waterproof design allows safe hand washing for easy cleanup after dessert time. With a 2-ounce scoop capacity, it also helps create consistent portions for sundaes, cones, milkshakes, and family gatherings, making every serving neat, quick, and satisfying. Number 6. TOSHIBA Mini Rice Cooker. The TOSHIBA 3-cup rice cooker does much more than prepare rice. With 8 cooking functions, it can handle white, brown, sushi, and mixed rice, along with porridge, soups, stews, cakes, and even eggs. Its fuzzy logic technology automatically adjusts cooking settings by sensing moisture levels, helping deliver consistent results with less guesswork. User-friendly controls, a keep warm function, and a 24-hour timer make meal planning easier throughout the day. The non-stick inner pot and removable steam components simplify cleanup after cooking. Number 5. Deep Fryer Pot. A practical choice for small families, apartments, RV trips, and camping adventures. It comes with a 2.3L frying basket and a 3.5L pot that helps with frying, straining, and storing oil in one convenient setup. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it handles everyday cooking with ease and is dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. The fine mesh filter captures up to 99% of food particles, helping extend the life of your cooking oil and reduce waste. Its spill-resistant eagle beak spout allows for controlled pouring, making oil transfers cleaner and safer. Great for preparing fries, chicken, seafood, and other crispy favorites while keeping your cooking space neat and organized. Number 4. Milk Frother Wand. Create coffee shop quality froth in seconds with this premium handheld frother. It blends lattes, matcha, protein shakes, hot chocolate, and more with ease, working well with all types of milk. Powered by AA batteries, it's simple to use, quick to clean, and easy to store in a drawer or cabinet. The durable, rust-resistant construction is ready for daily use, while the compact size keeps it convenient for any kitchen. So if you're starting your morning with a creamy latte or mixing an afternoon protein shake, it helps deliver smooth, consistent results and a cafe-style finish right at home. Number 3. Cooktop Burner. This portable induction cooktop operates on a standard household outlet, is ETL certified, and is compact for easy storage. It provides 20 power and temperature settings, boasts 83% energy efficiency, and features a digital panel with safety lock, quick boil, keep warm, and timer functions. Designed for magnetic cookware at least 5 inches wide, it includes auto shutoff for safety. It's a more efficient alternative to traditional gas or electric stoves. Number 2. Electric Knife. Achieve effortless, uniform slices with the Homemaker electric knife, designed for easy one-handed use with a lightweight, ergonomic handle. It includes 2 durable, dishwasher-safe blades and features a long power cord for convenience. The knife operates quietly with minimal vibration and incorporates a dual safety lock to prevent accidental starts. ETL certified, it is ideal for slicing meats, bread, cheese, and large vegetables quickly and safely. Number 1. Lazy Susan Turntable. This revolving turntable organizes spaces like kitchens, cabinets, and craft rooms. Its durable, molded non-skid surface and raised rim keep items secure and prevent spills. Constructed from easy-to-clean polypropylene, it rotates smoothly to maximize storage and accessibility. Ideal for creating tidy, efficient storage in pantries, refrigerators, and bathrooms, it helps you quickly find what you need. No more reaching into the back of crowded shelves or moving multiple items just to grab one thing. Everything stays visible and within easy reach, making everyday tasks faster. It's especially handy for spices, sauces, skincare products, cleaning supplies, and small household essentials. So with this we are ending today's video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.